Good morning, Mother Queen.
Good morning.
Blessed Sunday to all. Good morning. At syempre, alam nyo na, pagka umuwi si Mother, talagang minimake sure namin na nagbabanding kami at nagbabanding kami. Ang banding namin talaga, pagkain. No, Mother? Masasabi mo? Food ang banding namin tuwing umuwi si Mother. So, ngayon, nakaligo na si Mother. So, kami na lang ni Johnny. Hey, Johnny, you say good morning to them. Okay. Ayan. So, si Rek naliligo na rin. So, today is a gloomy Sunday. Okay? Pero hindi mapipigil ng panahon ang aming cravings dahil kami ay kakain sa Cheesecake Factory. Punggoli na. Excited na naman kumain ng person. Dahil kami ay, yun na nga, as I said, kami mag-Cheesecake Factory. Pero bago yan, tayo ay huwag makalimot na mag-alaga ng ating skin. Watch out for the launching of my new business. Ayan, sana ay patuloy nyo akong suportahan. Ayan, and spread the word. Once in-announce ko na siya. Ayan. Papatayuin nyo lang yan. Ito na po siya, si Mr. Pilipinas t-shirt.
Saan binili yan?
Bigay ko yan sa kanya eh.
Galing Pinas?
Of course, siya po ay habang naghihintay sa akin, ay nag-game.
Galing Pinas yan?
Pusoy dos.
Tong eats.
Tong it. Hello, Miss Demure. Wow, you're a beautiful lady.
Hello.
Jenny! Hi, my sweet pea. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah!
We're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory!
Factory, and it's next to the mall.
Oy, patay. Alam na niya, Rek. It's next to the mall. Yulambing, Daddy. Yulambing.
You think go to the mall?
Oh, yes.
Ooh, it worked. Your lambing worked. Huh? Your lambing worked? Huh?
I can go to the
What?
mall because I can do the jumping.
OMG.
Do you want to watch me jump? It will go very high and then I'm gonna go down.
Okay, we're gonna watch you later.
Okay.
So, alis na rin kami kasi tawag dito. Anong oras na ba? In 30 minutes siguro alis na kami. Ayan. Fresh na ang inyong lingkod. Say hi. Hindi sila makaka-Cheesecake Factory ngayon. Wawa naman. Di ba, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng treat later, okay? Be good. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna see you later. Cheesecake Factory. Sige natin, Rek. Cheesecake Factory, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cheesecake Factory, here we go! Okay, we're gonna go down na. Okay. Cheesecake Factory, here we go. Okay. Go, baby. Hello.
Hi.
Si Janica.
Uy, maganda dun oh, sa outdoor.
Outdoor tayo? Hi. I have a reservation at 12:30, but I'm just wondering if we can just, yeah. Is there like an outdoor sitting available? Yeah, they're checking. And so, wait lang, sine-check niya. mga cake nila dito. Cheesecake Factory. So, hindi mo talaga alam kung anong pipiliin mo dyan dahil lahat yan. Lahat yan masarap. So, bahala na gang mamaya kung ano ang pipiliin. Sure. Na. Thank you. Oh, yeah, it's nice here. Sure. Okay.
There's a baby play for me.
Thank you.
This is mine, right?
Yep, that's yours.
Look, this says kids. Here. If you want cake, this is the cake.
Nag-ano na to, nagbablog.
This is the cake book. Whatever cake, if you want cake, look in this book. There's a lot of cakes.
Talagang nasa ano tayo ah. Yan, so ngayon of
Taking my
course, parang hindi na natin alam. Kakaupo pa lang namin, gutom na gutom kami, pero hindi namin alam kung anong orderin namin. Maraming masarap dito.
Know what to do.
At walang diet to guys, kasi halos lahat dito pasta. What are you gonna pick, baby?
So,
What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna tell you, okay, what I see. So I see there's grilled cheese, there's chicken fingers, you know, the chicken longs, and then there is
like it?
cheese pizza, there is,
Cheese?
and there's a cheese quesadilla, you know, the cheese lumpia.
I want the cheese quesadilla.
And what's your drink, baby?
My drink is gonna be like lemonade.
Lemonade, okay. Do you want the, oh, I know what you like, the Arnold Palmer.
And hey guys, if you have a kid, let your kids get this no, because on here it says kids.
Okay. Yan, diba? Talo tayo ni Johnny sa pagbablog nito.
I'm just going to like.
Mamimili. Naku, ano kayang kakainin natin, Mother? Kailangan mo mag-decide. Si Mother, siya po ang pinakamatagal mamili ng gusto niya. Kahit saan kami kumain niya, siya ang pinagte-take time talaga at minimake sure niya kung ano ang kanyang o-order. Eh, ito pa naman sa Cheesecake Factory, ang hirap dito kasi lahat dito masarap. Tsaka guys, tingnan nyo naman ko. Ang dami niyan. Dami. Sige, sawa ka dyan. Basahin mo yung lahat, oh. Dami.
Grabe, daming choices.
Ito po yung calamari talaga nila, so I'm gonna order calamari. Lunch special? Pwede, yeah. Kung anong gusto mo, may fettuccine, may 4 cheese. Naku, masarap yung 4 cheese. May pasta carbonara, may pasta di Vinci, spaghetti meatballs, Louisiana chicken, spicy chicken chipotle pasta, Italian sausage, and fresh mushroom rigatoni. Baka magusto mo. Italian sausage and fresh mushroom rigatoni. Oh. Ako talagang, ano, ako lang naman po ang dakilang taga-order ni Mother. Kasi alam na alam ko yung mga gusto niya eh. Yan, masarap yan, Mother. For sure yan. Ikaw naman, baby, mamili ka. Ito naman si Rek, pag namimili yan, parang kala mo, ano siya eh, counselor ng Pateros. Parang gano'n ang dating niya. Talagang serious siya.
Napili na kayo?
Punta ka sa lunch special kasi yung lunch special, yun yung maliit na portion. Hindi ba maliit, pero smaller portion nung full. Kasi ang full size na order dito ay siguro, depende sa gutom nyo, pero mga nasa 2 to 3 na tao pwedeng kumain. So yung lunch special nila, yun yung pang isahan na tao ang serving.
Yung ano sa akin,
Ano?
yung lunch pasta
Na
spaghetti and meat.
talaga naman eh. Hindi talaga siya nagsasawa doon sa spaghetti meatballs. Yan talagang gusto
Pero
niya.
gusto ko pang umorder na isa pang something.
Go! Go! Araw mo to, Rek.
Araw na.
Matatawa yung nanay niya. Ano na, Rek? So,
Parang gusto ko rin ng ano,
ng ano?
ng
Baja chicken tacos.
Ooh.
So you said an Arnold Palmer for you?
Yeah, and for her too, kids one.
Shake Arnold, you got it.
Arnold Palmer or strawberry lemonade? What do you guys want?
Arnold.
We're gonna.
The kids quesadilla? Got it.
She's gonna have the. What you call this? Italian sausage. And
The
fish?
lunch Italian?
Yes,
Yeah.
please. And he's gonna have the spaghetti meatballs.
Got it. The lunch portion, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
And then I still need to browse through the menu for
Yeah,
mine.
no,
but then,
take your time. I'll come back around, yeah.
the appetizer, can we have calamari and the
Baja chicken tacos.
You want to do Baja chicken tacos, yeah?
favorite ni Mother yan, yung mga bread na merong baterya. Yan po yung baterya. Pero guys, napakasarap ng bread dito.
Mahilig si Mami sa mga Italian sausage.
Parang ikaw. Mahilig ka rin sa mga sausage. Ako hindi masyado.
Mahilig ako.
Hindi ako masyado. Steak din and herb-crusted salmon.
Ready ka na, ha?
Okay, I know what I want. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just waiting. We're just waiting for our order. Siyempre, kaka-order lang namin. So, we need to wait for like maybe 15-20 minutes. Okay? At syempre, nagbabrowse na. Maghanap na kami ng cheesecake namin kung ano gusto namin cheesecake. Ang dami dito, guys. Mananawa ka sa lahat ng flavor ng cheesecake dito. Ewan ko na lang. I think yung tiramisu na try natin masarap.
Yeah.
Yung tiramisu. Yeah. Wonderful cheesecake. I think mag-tiramisu tayo, no? Kaso lang si Johnny, magustuhan kaya. Yun lang.
Gustuhan niya yan, basta sweet.
Sabagay. Vanilla bean cheesecake, correct?
Vanilla bean?
Meron. Ba, yung sa frap yun, vanilla bean.
Yung sa Starbucks.
So, guys, tayo lang tayo ng order natin. At pag dumating na, chichika ko sa inyo, flex namin sa inyo. Ayan, dumating na ang aming drink. Arnold Palmer. And Arnold Palmer is a mix of iced tea and lemonade. Ayan, kaya dapat hinahalo-halo.
By the way, trivia, Arnold Palmer is a professional golfer.
So, siya ang nag-invento ng ganyan.
Siya ang nag-invento ng Arnold Palmer. Kaya, ng mix.
Drink na to,
Yeah.
ng mix.
Mix ng raspberry, ng iced tea, saka lemonade.
Kaya ipinangalan sa kanya. Guys, dumating na yung calamari. Ayan, favorite ko yan, si calamari. I can eat calamari all day long. And, naku,
Chicken Baja taco.
tingnan nyo naman
Baja
ang
chicken tacos.
appetizer
Uy, may
ng
rice.
aking asawa. Appetizer ba to? May rice na kasama.
Ayun, parang hindi appetizer,
Okay,
parang
so,
pampalakas ng...
is this chicken?
Yes.
Chicken? Yum, yum. Tapos, ayun, pinatakan pa niya.
Sa Food Network, nilalagyan nila nito.
Ano?
Nilalagyan sa Food Network.
Yeah, yeah.
Kasi para maganda.
Yun, no?
Para hindi mo.
Yum.
Pwede naman talaga ulam sa kanan.
Pwede talaga.
Saka yung beans.
Beans pa.
Go for it, love. You wanna take a bite?
Take a bite, yes.
So,
Yun, no? May mga patak-patak pa.
can I eat the salad?
Yan po ang gusto niya. Ang trip niya, yung asukal dun sa baso.
So good.
Snack! So yung calamari nila, meron nitong, ano ba tawag sa ganito? Parang salsa. Tapos meron sila nung
Tartar sauce.
tartar sauce. Ako, mas mahilig ako dun sa tartar. Tartar. Tartar sauce. Okay, so ito na po. Mother, magugustuhan mo to. Dali. Super sarap.
Don't like it.
Ba't ayaw mo rin? Ayaw mo naman ano?
Pusit eh.
So, ano? Sarap.
Garlic, ano?
Garlicky, no? Super sarap.
Mine is so special that it's coming there.
Ano?
I just said special because it's going way
Oh, you're
later.
right. Because it's later, that means it's special. Isa pa. Tikman naman natin to, yung
Lumbok man tayo.
red sauce.
Kumanda tayo ko noon.
Super sarap, pero mas gusto ko talaga yung char-char.
Para pa.
Ito po ang trabaho ni Johnny ngayon. Kinukuha niya po lahat ng mga asukal sa mga baso ng tao. Sauce, ay sauce.
Ay, sauce.
Guys, sa calamari pa lang, mabubusog na ako. Ayan, oh. Yan. Malapit nang maubos. Yung tako talaga nalalos.
Lalos.
Nalalos. Ayan. Waiting pa kami niyan sa main course na.
Mushroom rigatoni.
Okay, that's for her.
Beautiful. I'll be out with the rest of them.
Okay. Is that your cheese quesadilla? Your cheese quesadilla? Oh, it's hot. Baby, you just get one.
Ayun na, pinuputol niya.
Okay.
I'm putting my special plate.
Talaga naman.
You're gonna put it on your special plate.
Maganda rin ah.
Wait, I think it's still hot because he just got it.
Mm.
I think it's good now. It doesn't feel hot.
Okay, baby.
Okay.
Try it.
Blow it.
Did we want your Parmesan cheese over here?
Small by small, na. Thank you. Okay, mother. Ang sarap
Ganda,
to.
no?
Italian sausage.
Italian
May
sausage.
mga broccoli. Siyempre, sa asawa ko, I think maybe you need to remove the mint.
I know, this is too much.
Yeah, that, na medyo nakakaano yan eh. Dati guys, kumain kami ng spaghetti and meatballs, ano? So, hinayaan lang namin, kinain din namin. Is that mint?
Parang ganun eh.
Oh. Guys, na-anxiety kami.
Super minty.
Super minty. Parang hindi maganda yung effect sa katawan namin. So, yan.
You got mustard.
Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kalaki yung serving. So, this is the steak Diane. So, ganyan siya. Steak siya na may mga mushroom. Mushroom is my favorite. Super duper love mushroom. Okay, tas meron siyang mashed potato sa gitna. And then of course, we have the salmon. Salmon. Na merong 3 pirasong asparagus. Ayan, yan po ang aking food. Yum, yum. Subukan na muna natin ngayon ang kanilang mashed potato. So, ang mashed potato nila parang may mga bacon siya sa loob. Pati buhok ko gustong kainin yung mashed potato. Sarap. Super sarap actually. Yung lasa niya parang manamis-namis na ano ba ito?
Mushroom? Yung mash?
Good. Tikman naman natin yung ating mushroom. Sarap na sauce. Meron kasi siyang parang it's not barbecue sauce pero instead na gravy para doon sa mash. Dahil nakakombine na yung steak Diane doon sa mash. Parang yun yung naging sauce nung mash. Sarap. Sobra. Let's try the meat. Ito na yung steak niya. Super sarap at well done siya kasi ayoko nang hindi well done. So, lutong-luto. Try naman natin yung kanilang salmon. Okay. So, ayan, para siyang may white sauce. Super sarap din. Ano ba dito? Lahat masarap ah. Okay ba yung iyo, mother? Busog na kami. Pero meron pa kami cheesecake. Si mother, parang hindi naman ginalaw yung food. Sabi niya yan si mother. Bukod sa mabilis na siya mabusog daw. Pag yan, kumakain kami sa labas, lagi niyang iniisip na merong ititira para kay Rek. Ganun ka-sweet mo yan. Napakadakilang ina niyan.
Lahat binibigay sa akin.
Lahat yan. Si Rek ang iniisip. Kahit na 5 o na si Rek, ang tingin niya dyan, syempre, 10 years old pa rin. Na talagang laging merong tira, may food. Ganyan yan. O, ayan, syempre, si Rek, papakabog ba siya dyan sa spaghetti? Ubos. Meron pang tira-tira. Walang tira.
Cherry
Yeah.
tomato.
Walang tira yan. Ay, yung akin, ayan. Yan po ang nakain ko. So, may mga steak pa, of course. Kinain ko na yung mga mushroom. Kasi yun ang favorite ko. Tapos yan yung natira kong mash. Tapos meron pa akong maliit na salmon. Kinain ko na rin yung asparagus. Ayan. So, eto pala si Johnny. Sabi ni Johnny sa akin, Mom, I cannot finish it because it's 6 pieces. So, ayan. Ang kinain niya ay 2 pieces. Ayan. 2 pieces ang nakain niya. Meron pa siyang 4 slices. Papatugunan natin yan at kukunin na natin yung ating tiramisu cheesecake. Yan na ang aming mga to go. O, diba? Ang dami pa naming na to go. Ayan. Alam niyo, yan talaga ang favorite na, favorite ko yung may to go. Lalo na tayo mga noity. Teka muna, baka mamaya may tinga pa ako. Pero, yan. Gusto ko yung merong to go. Kasi pwede pa makain mamaya or bukas, ganyan. So, mahilig ako sa mga to go. Right, Jenny?
Yeah.
Love you, baby.
Love you.
How much do you love me, though? Yakap me and tell me.
A trillion billion.
How? What? How many?
Trillion billion. Secret for you.
It's a secret for me. Paano yun? Hindi ko alam kung gaano mo ka-love.
It's trillion billion.
I think I heard it. She said trillion billion.
No, it was zero. It was zero. It was zero.
I know you love Mama.
It was zero. I promise you. I'm not lying.
Ito yung aming in-order na tiramisu cheesecake. At talagang dito, pag umorder ka, dapat isa lang. Isang slice lang. Kasi nga,
Laking slice.
pang pamilya po yung slice niya. Napakalaki.
Sarap oh.
Okay, ayan. Excited na po ang mga people of the world. Ewan ko lang si Johnny ha. Kung gusto niya tong tiramisu.
I don't want. I'm so.
Ooh.
So? Ano? Ano?
Natunaw lang sa bibig ko. Sarap eh.
Ikaw, mother. Ayaw niya, baby.
Hindi talaga siya, no?
Busog na daw siya. Uy, anong masasabi?
Ang sarap.
Super sarap.
Creamy.
Creamy. Okay, ito na.
Saigon na.
Ito na.
Saigon. Sarap no?
Grabe.
Grabe no?
Alam mo, maganda dito sa flavor na to, hindi siya yung super tamis.
Yes.
So, hindi siya nakakaumay.
Hindi nga nakaka-ums.
Hindi ka... Although malaki talaga rin yung calories niya, pero parang feeling mo, pag kinakain mo, hindi ganun
tataba.
kabad. Kasi hindi siya matamis talaga. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa flavor na to. At ayan na nga, malapit na maubos ng pamilya. Ang ating sponsor of the day. Ang pinakagalante kong napakabait at napakagwapong asawa.
Sponsor? Di ko alam na sponsor pala ako ngayon.
Sponsor ka, tangi. Ikaw
Kala ko taga-kain lang ako eh.
Hindi. Tagabayad ka, kala
Ano
mo.
magbabayad?
Oo, yan. Kain ka pa ng cheesecake para...
Ihi muna ako ha.
Tatakbo. Tatakbo. Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so let's see. Asa na? Ayan. Yan po ang total. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama, ha? Kayang-kaya mo to, Rek.
Kaya ko ba to?
Ang pinaka-ano dyan.
What time
Wow.
the bus leaves at?
Nilalagnat ka ba?
Parang medyo nilalagnat ako.
No.
Ito, ang dami ko pa namang in-order. Kala ko, taga-kain lang ako. Wala ako magbabayad. Pasubo yata ako ah.
Napasubo siya sa pag-order.
Pasubo ako doon.
Gusto kami kumain. Kahit nandyan ang mga tago namin. Busog na kami, bundat kami. Pero si Johnny, pag napunta kami dito sa mall, hindi pwedeng hindi siya mag-ano. Ano ba tawag doon?
Jumpy.
Yung jumpy-jumpy na yun.
Jumpy na yun.
Ano tawag doon? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. So si... yan. So si mother dito siya. Relax siya dito sa may couch. Habang nilipay kami. So Johnny, are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Jumpy, jumpy.
Okay, let's go.
Go!
Tingin ka sa camera na.
We're going to the Jumpy for Jenny.
Guys, so 5 minutes, $12. Okay? Ayan. So 5 minutes siyang magtatatalon dyan
Uy,
for
nagtaas na
$12.
sila ah. Dati 5 minutes, $10 yun.
Oh, lahat na nagtataas na yun. Yan talaga. So si Johnny, ayan na siya, oh.
There you go.
And good. Okay, you have a seat.
You ready? You excited?
Love,
Yes.
diyan mo ba binili yung necklace ko?
Yes.
Diyan binili. Yan, si Johnny naghihintay ng kanyang turn. Johnny's turn. Ayan, titimbangin muna. Timbang. Ako,
Jenny, are you gonna do backflip?
no daw.
Come on, you can do it.
So, make sure nila na syempre safety with all the
You can do it,
harness.
Jenny.
Okay. Ayan, kakalong-kalong na siya mga kababayan. Siya! Johnny, say hi! May pagka-extreme tong anak ko eh. Naku, Diyos ko, gustong-gusto naman. O kaya, umiiyak na ako eh. Oh. Ito yung bata. Good job, baby! Hi, baby. How was it?
Good.
You like that? Mommy's too hilo. Tell me, what's your experience? How do you like it?
So it was good. I jumped very high. I
You
jumped
like it?
this high. Well, I got more higher.
Enjoy na enjoy daw siya.
Can me tell you something in the ear?
Ano na naman something in the ear?
Ear.
The what? A little bit of I think you need to ask Daddy, not me. Okay, you
What?
need to ask. Daddy that didn't know.
Candy? What candy? Oh, over there. I think there's a candy store over there. Yeah?
Daddy, are you gonna buy Johnny a candy?
Of course.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Okay,
Let's
let's
go.
go. Candy daw.
Candy store.
Sunny candy.
I think this is my candy store too. My
Okay,
dark
so
chocolate
there's
candy.
gonna be a lot of candies here. A lot. All kinds. All kinds. Ay, Diyos ko, manawa ka.
We're gonna find some frog.
Ang dami.
Oh, gummy gators. Okay.
Oh, Jacob will like that one. Jacob, we got you candy. Hold on. Wait.
Gummy gators. Here. These are alligators. We'll get some alligators.
Hindi mo na alam dito kung anong
Yeah, you're
kakaipiliin mo.
gonna get some alligators. Don't worry.
Kasi ang dami.
You're gonna get some gummy alligators. Look. Let's see. There's an orange one. Oh, look at see green, orange, and red. Wow.
Dad, did you get
Gators?
Yeah.
Yeah. Green, orange, and red. Lots of orange. What color do you like? You want green or red or orange? What color do you like?
Wala. Uy, meron silang ano to? Champoy. Guys, so may champoy.
Here, let's get. Come on. Dad likes orange. Okay, orange. Open it. Okay, here, go.
I think I like this one. It's spicy filled mangoes. What did you get, babe? Let me see.
Come here, James. Let's go see if we can find.
yes,
Ooh, what's that?
I'm getting your stuff.
Yeah.
Are you guys getting more? Or is that good?
That is
Anong nakuha mo?
Okay, I'm getting it right here.
Hoy, hoy, hoy. Ano to? May bata dito ah. Ang dami.
Dark chocolate
rin.
peanut. Saka dark chocolate almond
Puro
bar.
dark chocolate.
Sugar free.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, can you put it there? Ayan.
Ano sa'yo?
Ano, spicy mango? I don't
That's
know.
it? Dalawa
It's
lang?
champoy daw eh. Okay na yun. Ang dami guys. Grabe, mananawa ka dito talaga oh. I think yun lang ang gusto ko. Okay na.
How about Jenny? You good?
Ayan, yan na.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Wow, I think it's Daddy's treat. Okay, go. Oh, put it there, inside.
I got my favorite 1, 2, 3.
Very
Okay.
good.
Good.
Now I count one. Let's see something else what I want.
Baka meron pa. You wanna try that, the popping candy? That's my favorite when I was a kid.
I want the blue one.
Okay, give it to Daddy. Hurry up. Meron na pong mga masasayang bata. Kaming tatlo po ay merong naiuwing.
Mga candies.
mga
Parang ako ang
candy.
pinakamasaya eh.
Ay no, ang dami mong kinuha. Puro dark chocolate.
Puro dark chocolate. Sugar
Hindi,
free
masaya rin yung anak mo. Show what you got, baby. The whole bag. Wow!
I can't wait.
Hold on, did you say hi? Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy. I can't wait to eat this right
Okay, at sa car, baby. Okay? Car.
You try it.
Okay, at kami ay magpapaalam na rin dahil ihahatid pa namin si Mother.
Yes.
So, don't forget to what? Watch this full video.
Yes, watch the full video.
Ano nga yun? Lagi tayo nagkakamali eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Watch this full video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yee! Team Jack Rack! Oh, you say Team Jack Rack.
Team Jack Rack.